Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults, and we'll bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu. So today we are at this wonderful and amazing property, 4-bedroom duplex, currently at New GRA Transekulu. So this is a 4-bedroom duplex, a 4-bedroom contemporary duplex right here, and it's currently selling for 100 million naira. So this property comes with a general CFO. Yes, that is what most of the houses in this area has. So if you're looking at buying a property or owning a property right here in the city of Enugu, then this duplex is for you. All you have to do is to call Josh Consults today for booking and inspection. Meanwhile, let's go on a tour around this beautiful